What's up, YouTube? BS Small Engines here. Today we're going to take a look at this box. So stay tuned. Let's take a look at the top of the box. A giant drill bit. I got all these leaves in here from working outside under a tree. I gotta clean those out. I actually gotta take everything out of this box and clean it out. Electronic screwdriver kit. This is the tool cart. It's a US General one, and I take this with me when I need to go and work outside. I'll just roll it on my little trailer, and yeah. So it's got a lot of basic tools in it. This has a lot of specialty tools, and that one has a lot of specialty tools. But this is like mostly basic tools. Piece of metal. We got cheap screwdrivers, pry bar, 1/2 inch ratchet, some impacts that's just laying in here. I need to get an organizer for all that. Some batteries, Cobalt, Milwaukee, bottle opener. This is important. A bottle opener. Spark plug sockets of all sizes. Impact star bits. These are actually from Harbor Freight. These are actually pretty decent. I've been using these for a few years now. A Z-bender. Guys, I'll post a link to a video I have in the card right there of the Z-bender tool. It's a great tool to have. Putting Z-bends in like choke cables and throttle cables. Oil filter thing. Head strap for my camera. My keys, earphones. That's where those been. We got a impact driver here. Now let's go into the drawers. It's kind of a miscellaneous drawer. Fin clutch tool, some chisels. So this, for those that haven't watched my video, trying to think what video it was. The Dollar Tree video. These are actually plant hooks, right? But they look just like the brake caliber hooks that you pay $10 for. Well, this is $1, so works just as great. Check out your local Dollar Tree. Again, another great video to check out of mine. This is for setting that cam position synchronicizer or whatever on a 4.6 painter's tape. Fuses, OD. Wow, I messed up. You know what I'm trying to. OBD reader, mini fuses, some trim things. A lot of pliers, dikes or side cutters or whatever you want to call them. We got pretty much everything. These right here are great for fuel lines. I got a couple hanging up over there. It's the curved style and the other style. A few different types of channel locks. Spark plug, boot remover, clamp hose remover. This is for removing exhaust hangers, exhaust off of hangers. That's a bit of a time saver. Fuel clamp, alligator clamps. These are great if you're in a small engine business. Need those. Alright, thread file. lug nuts, some bolts, some more, or some nuts, some more, some pop rivets, some blades. This is a gear wrench. This is a gear wrench, star, and torque bit set. Bought this at Harbor Freight. I'll look in the Amazon link, and if I can find it, I'll put the link down below. This is actually a great set. I actually use this set. I'm sure they have it on Amazon. I'll post the link when I get in the description. Blue point set, 3/8 blue point set, 1/4 inch blue point set, Tecton, 1/4 inch ratchet, a extension swivel spark plug, some extensions, Cobalt digital torque wrench, power tool drawer, drill, impact driver, sawzall, impact, cordless ratchet. This is the cordless drawer. Got to have your power tools. Down here this is the toolkit for doing 4/0s, camshaft timing. Fuel line down there. This is my electrical bag. It's a mess. It's just a bunch of random tools down here. Extra tools that I would use in the field. This is my take-along bag under here. Unless y'all can see it. That's the bag I fill up and take to the junkyard. My Daytona jack, which I like. That box is a mess. The top of this box. Ooh, diagnostic stuff. We got compression tester. This is a tack that I don't like. I need to get the different style tack. Spark plug. Heat gun. I use this for testing catalytic converters. This battery's dead in it. Trying to get that in there without damaging anything. Some extra wrenches. That's kind of bare because I sewed out. I was trying to get some. I want to buy some more complete sets. So I cleared out a lot of my toolbox here to make room. I need to clear the top of this box out. This became a catch-all. Same with this drawer. I cleared it out for that. This is my ratcheting wrench drawers. Mostly gear wrench. This is some cheap Tractor Supply brand. It's good for taking it to the junkyard. See, empty drawer. Big sockets. Small engine drawer. Okay. This right here, there's going to be a video on this soon. This is for a Briggs & Stratton starter clutch. It's a great tool to have in your collection if you're going to do a lot of those old ones. This is a valve blapper. And here's for your Tecumseh guys. Where's Bruce Pender? Bruce Pender, like this. This is a Tecumseh dial indicator. I got this at auction for $1. Hone, valve tool, snow puller. This is a valve guide set. Couple of different ring compressors. There's a ring spreader right there. This is a flywheel puller for a GY6 engine and some of the smaller smaller stuff. This is a metering tool, Walbro metering tool. We got some air tools here, which is actually where this impact needs to go. I'm downsized. I don't have as many air tools as I did. I still use air tools, but not as much as I did since cordless. Oh, let's move that out of the way. And just random stuff in there. My Tecton set is somewhere, and I use that set quite a bit. Shop's kind of a mess, guys. Running a lot of projects right now. Look at that, all that stuff. Some woodworking tools up there. My old edger. An old engine I've been restoring forever. My compressor is up there. Yes, it can be a pain to drain sometimes, but I got a switch up there and I got an outlet up there so I can just... It's out of the way, so... My lathe. Bench press. Some bigger wrenches. Some random screwdrivers and brushes. This Ryobi tool right here is pretty darn handy. It's a rotary tool. My computer. Ultrasonic cleaner. Again, I'll do a video. This is the Harbor Freight ultrasonic cleaner. I will do a video on it soon. And yeah, I don't think there's much else I can show you on this shop. I just wanted to show a lot of the new people my stuff, my setup. It's kind of a mess right now, but I figured y'all like to see it anyway. This is my welding table. We got it moved out here right now, so we're mocking up this buggy right here. This is my old Co tool, manufacturer in 11. It's pretty cool vise. I've been wanting it. I wanted one for a while, and then I just have it welded onto some oil pipe, and I got a couple pieces of pipe here for hammer holders. That's a bender, grinder, creeper, mower jack. This old Skill brand drill press I've had forever. It's starting to wear out. Look, it has plastic pulleys. Look at that. Starting to wear that out. It'll eventually get replaced. Drill bits, sandpaper, blades, welding helmets, grinders. I'm missing a grinder actually. Oh, it's down there. Cut off wheels, gloves. I need to make another holder for this set of gloves. Welder, and that's just a bunch of welding supplies. Welder, and the Hero Cut plasma cutter, which is back in stock, guys, in March. I'll post the link is down below. Sticker board. Look at all these stickers that everybody sent me over the years. There's stickers, there's stickers, there's stickers. If y'all ever want to send me some stickers, my email's down in the description. I always enjoy stickers. They go up on my sticker wall. Some of my antique tool collection up there. I don't know if you can see. Some old Echo oil. Some new old stock parts. Thanks to Boneyard's Garage. And yeah, I think that is it, guys. I just wanted to give y'all a tour of my shop. It's kind of a mess. It ain't always a mess like this. But when you got so many projects going on like me, I got 3 go-karts right now. I got a welder to repair, a pressure washer to repair, my tractor to repair. Just a bunch of stuff to repair. It's kind of a mess because of that. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get off of here. Thanks, everybody, for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.